हाय अमन।
हाय।
सो आज तुम क्या करने वाले हो?
मैंने अभी कमरे में एसी ऑन किया, टीवी चलाया। अभी ये जो दीवार है,
नो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू टू चेंज द लुक ऑफ द रूम?
अभी तो ये पिंक कलर की वॉल है, पूरा रूम पिंक कलर है, सो दिस एक्सेंट वॉल।
लेट मी शो द एंटायर रूम।
सो ये जो एक्सेंट वॉल है, द बेबी पिंक कलर, इसको पिंक के साथ कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए आई एम मेकिंग इट एंटायर ग्रे, which is like dark gray. You can say smoke gray also.
Yeah.
And it's a like waterproof paint that we are going to do over here, which is washable.
Okay.
So let's start. So first, what I am going to do is I have taken some paint in this tray, in this painting tray, and I have a small brush, 50 brush. So I have dipped this brush and I am going to do outline of all the edges of the wall. So after that, we'll be filling the wall with the roller. So here I am doing the outline.
So finally we are done with this entire wall, and it has totally changed the look of this room, made it a little more spacious and give it a very cool kind of temperature and look to this room. Now I have further to do in this room as well. That will be in some other part, because for that I need the lockdown to be lifted and things to be open. So yes, this second part would come later on, but I hope you like this wall. After doing the wall, we have just put back everything that was there. I am definitely going to embellish something more on this wall as and when I get, because I believe that putting whatever you have is not the key. The key to a good space is you find items which you think will suit it, and then that's how you get it. These flowers above, these hanging flowers, I got from Amazon. As you can see, I still have to keep something in the corners, so I've left it like that. This AR, mine and my husband's initials, that I have done it. It's a DIY. Let me know if you want to know about it. So this is Sassy Rex signing off for this video. We'll be back soon. I hope you like the video and you also get inspired to do something a little different with your room. And believe me, this one was the first in a life attempt, and it went really well. I will keep the details of the paint and everything in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. Choose a favorite color, change your room, and yes, you will feel as if you are in a different place altogether. So this is Sassy Rex signing off this time. Bye bye. See you later. Mwah.